Afternoon, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a BMW 118D. This is a 2 litre, it's a 90,000 on the clock, it's a 2013 model. Now the owner's booked this in, had it about 18 months now. It's doing short trips and just wants to get it cleaned up, get it checked over just for preventative maintenance. It's running really sweet actually. A couple of bits and pieces that were just old codes that we've popped through to the owner, cleared those down, they've stayed off all the way through. That all looks clear. All the live data looks spot on as well. The thermostat on this is running beautifully. Exactly what it should be doing. 97 degrees, put it under test and it drops down to about 92, spot on. We're right next to a cornfield, so the cornflies are attacking me, sorry about that. The only thing on this one, because it's doing short trips, the SUP content in this one is up a little bit and it only regenerated fairly recently. The back pressure is fairly low, so it's probably just an incomplete regeneration on that one. A few more longer trips and get it to complete regens is all that's required. Other than that, it's running beautifully. Nice standard preventative maintenance clean on this one.